What's the scariest thing you'll encounter this Halloween? At Baylor College of Medicine, we think there's nothing more frightening than this. To prevent the spread of germs, practice what is called the vampire cough. Instead of cupping your hand to your mouth, simply cough or sneeze into the sleeve of your elbow. Germs can't live on fabric as they do on skin or hard object, so any viruses or bacteria meet a cruel and gruesome death on the sleeve of your shirt. Here to execute a perfect example of the vampire cough is my colleague, Dr. Acula. Take it away, Vlad. Of course, washing your hands and getting your flu shot are excellent ways to make sure that you don't miss out on any tricks or treats. We want each one of you to be healthy this Halloween.
Especially your blood.
Wait, what?